to install this thing, resistor box. So you're gonna pull these 4 wires from like right here. Pull all those 4 out. After, you need this plug, and then you're gonna install those 4 wires that you pull from there. You're gonna install it right here, and then all those 4 gonna go to here, to this 4, and then this one gonna goes to like right there. So you're gonna need an extra one of these wires, and then this one gonna go there, and then this one the red one gonna connect to that one, and it's gonna make a fire. But I gonna remove it because I don't need it no more. So it's the same thing. So if you need to install resistor box, you do the same thing, and you do the same thing to remove it.